So there are times when we just film a video and then we want to show our audience something, we want to show them something, maybe we are trying to explain something, and then we have a picture like this, then another one again like this. I'm going to be teaching you in this video how you can show your audience that picture by removing the background. When you remove the background of your picture, just like you are seeing on the screen right now, it will make your video look so professional. You get, illustrating something with the background is actually different from when you are just showing that particular thing alone. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove the background of anything you are illustrating totally from the image, from the picture. Do you understand? So guys, let's get right into it. So guys, you click on the Capcut app, click on it, then click on new project. So we are going to import the video. Click on add. So this is a particular video we want to we are explaining now. We want to show something, we want to show our viewers something. So now that the video is here already, the next thing you are going to do is this: click on overlay and click on add overlay. So then you click on photos. I have this picture of Prudent and Vicky James, so I'll be using it for this tutorial. So I'll click on this one of Prudent, I'll click on it and then click on add. So you can see, right? Can you see this? I'm explaining something now. Can you see this? Can see it's even taking space and the rest. So I don't want it to be like this. I want to remove the background of this picture so that it will be only Prudent that is showing. Do you understand? So all I need to do is this: I will swipe to my right hand side and look for remove BG. BG stands for background. You click on it and then click on auto remover. See, background removed. Guys, did you see it? So click on this check sign. So you can actually use your hand to make it big or small. Do you understand? You can see. You can even bring it up, you can bring it down. It depends on where you want it to be. You can see, right? You can see. So let's do that of Vicky James. Let's do that. So you also click on add overlay again and you bring the one for Vicky James, click on it and click on add. So you can see the background is taking too much space, so I just want only Vicky James to show in this particular picture. So I will remove the background too. So I will swipe to my right hand side and click on remove BG, then click on auto remover. This is it, guys. So immediately you click on auto remover, the background will remove, and then you cannot position it anywhere you want. You can see the way it's looking, right? You can see. So all you need to do is this: it depends on where you want the picture to, the duration of the picture to be. So you can do it to extend it to the end of your video by dragging it like this. It depends on where you want it to be. Do you understand? So if you want it to just show for like 1 minute, you leave it like that. If you want it to show for like 5 minutes, you drag it. Do you understand? So the same thing with the one for Prudent, you still need to drag it again like this, so it will not be very long. So anywhere you see that, oh, you don't need the pictures on the screen again, then you cut and you remove. Just drag it back. Do the same thing for the one for Vicky James, drag it back, and then you are good to go. This is how you remove the background of a picture. If you are explaining something, it will make it look so beautiful. Do you understand? So I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. Guys, if you did, please, why don't you like this video now? Like the video, share so that other people will see it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.